Where do you go when you're not willing to sacrifice quality for price? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share where you can find beautiful homes at a very affordable price. The Westfall community by Mattamy Homes is located in Gastonia. If you don't know where that is, it's located in Gaston County, which is right across the Catawba River, about 45 minutes from uptown Charlotte, 35 minutes from Charlotte Douglas Airport, and about 10 minutes from downtown Gastonia. Now, this community right here at the end is going to have 361 pieces of property, and the reason I say that is because about 230 of them are going to be townhomes and the rest are going to be single family homes. We are going to tour one of their single family homes now, which is one of 8 floor plans with several different elevations, and you can decide whether you want to go inventory home or you want to design it from scratch. At Westfall, you can get anything from a ranch home to a 2-story home. The square footages range anywhere from about 1,800 square feet to about 3,200 square feet. The Sequoia floor plan, which we're currently in, is 2,824 square feet. This one in particular is done in a French country style, which is one of 4 elevations. Now, this is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath with a loft as well as a study. Let's take a look at this beautiful kitchen in the Sequoia. They say that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and this one is perfect. You have an 8-foot island with a large single bowl sink, as well as a pull-down faucet. Now, this is included whether you do an inventory home or you design it from scratch. You have tons of storage in this cabinetry, and I want to point out a couple of things that Mattamy did that are super special. So one of those is going to be your garbage and recycling pull-out drawer. So this is something that comes standard, as well as Mattamy is really the only builder that I have seen that is a production builder that will do electric cooktops or stoves with a vented exterior. And they do this whether it's in a townhome or in a single family home. So that's super special. They're also doing soft close on all of their cabinets and their drawers. Over here, you're gonna be greeted by this nice sized pantry. So you have tons of space to put all your goodies, and although the refrigerator is not included with your purchase, you can get it if you decide to go to design. And this is a very nice space, whether you want to go with a deep refrigerator, because a lot of times what we'll do is go with counter depth, but this space right here gives you enough room to go with the deeper refrigerator if you're a person that's a huge cook and you love to keep a lot of food stored. It's really nice that in a home of this size, Mattamy is giving you at least 1 bedroom on the lower level. The other thing that I like about this particular area is it's super ample. You have a storage closet here. And another thing that Mattamy does is that they give you really high entryways and a really high front door. So you have 9-foot ceilings against 8-foot entryways and that 8-foot front door. Now, this room right here, which is going to be a really great space for your guests, or whether you have an older child or someone who kind of wants to be in their own space, you have plenty of room for a queen-size bed as well as a chest. Now, this is something you should really pay attention to, because you wouldn't believe how many builders give you room for your bed and your nightstands, but not enough to put anything else in. You also get a walk-in closet over here, and right across from me, you're gonna have a full bathroom that can be utilized by this guest as well as anyone else who is visiting your home. Through this hallway, you're going to find your 2-car garage. And inside this 2-car garage, not only do you have spaces for 2 cars, but you also have additional space to put some storage in there. Right in here, you're going to have an office. So this office is going to allow you to work from home or to change the space into anything else you want it to be, whether a craft room, a kids room, or a sitting room. As with a lot of builders who are trying to be energy efficient, Mattamy in this community is doing the same. All of the appliances here are going to be electric, from your cooktop to your fireplace. And this one, while it has a switch on the side, which is typical of a gas fireplace with gas logs, this one is totally electric if you flip the switch. It will give you some heat, so that is something that you're gonna love when it gets a little chillier. Now over here, this is a completely open concept area. You have plenty of room to put a nice sized table. So if you're entertaining, you can easily shift from the living room to your dining room to your kitchen. Now let's check out the outside. And let me point out that these doors are huge. They are 8 feet high, which is definitely not typical of most builders. Mattamy uses packages to build out their homes. So if you go to design, you're going to select a package, and that package will come with all of your materials, whether that's your countertop, your tile, your LVP flooring, and your carpet. Throughout the first floor, except for the guest bedroom, you're going to find all LVP, and as we transition to the stairs and upstairs, all of that is going to be carpeted. Whether you're new to the channel or you've been watching for a while, don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss any of my future videos. On this level, you'll find 4 additional bedrooms and this very ample size loft where you can enjoy a secondary space for entertaining, especially if you have kids. I always love to put my son and his friends in the loft space. Now, this is going to be what you consider a split plan. So before I even get into the split plan, this is an 8-foot ceiling. So downstairs, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings, and up here, 8-foot ceilings. A split plan simply means that your primary is going to be separated from the rest of the rooms. So this primary here, you can see it has a beautiful tray ceiling. It has an ensuite with a tub. And so for all of you that always ask me, where are my tubs? Because you want to be able to take that bubble bath, this builder is going to give it to you. Beyond the stairs, you'll find a laundromat as well as 3 bedrooms plus additional closet space. Now, this bathroom right here is going to have double sinks and the door separation so that if somebody is using the sink, someone can be taking a shower. You have another bedroom here and one tucked away back here, which would be probably excellent for an older child. One of the things that I want to point out about a builder like Mattamy is the fact that you are going to be able to really hone in on your ultimate price. I'll never forget when I first built a home and the starting price was almost $200,000 of a difference between the end price. And that right there was extremely stressful. A builder like Mattamy, you're gonna get fairly close to your base price even if you add some upgrades. So a home like this is gonna range anywhere from about $430,000 as of the time of this recording to about $465,000. Now, this is a model home, so you're gonna see things like this wainscoting on the wall. You're gonna see wallpaper, and these are all things that you can add later on. Another thing that I wanna point out is that a lot of production builders have taken some things away, such as casing, window sills, crown molding, and these are gonna be the things that you can add later on to make your space feel more upgraded, more luxurious, and more unique. Drop a comment below and share with me what is the #1 thing that you look for when you're looking to purchase your dream home. Not only does the community of Westfall by Mattamy Homes offer beautiful homes. They also have amenities that include a pool, a cabana, a playground, and walking trails. And right across the street, a park is going to be built with streams, picnic pavilions, and so much to enjoy for any member of the family. If you are thinking about purchasing a single-family home in a beautiful community for less than $500,000, the Westfall community by Mattamy Homes is definitely one that you need to pay attention to. My name is Yari Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty. I service both North and South Carolina, and I also speak Spanish. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.